Okay, guys, I'm going to show you what you're looking at. That white cord you see there on the ground, that's what they ran from the well over there where the green roof is, all the way coming across my yard to run the pump. Now that comes up out of the ground some everywhere you step. And I was just out there earlier and I didn't have my phone with me. It was before they came back. But you can actually see where earlier today they fixed the cord by wrapping electrical tape around it. As you can see, they're working on it again now because I'm out of water again. And they're doing something, not sure what it is. But that cord is not in any conduit. It's just an electric cord in the ground. It's not, I'm understanding conduit to mean, and see how shallow that is in the ground, guys? Just a simple yank, it's just barely under the ground. I'm under the understanding that conduit is like a plastic protective type thing that goes around cords, electrical cords in the ground. And as you can see, that cord has none of that. It goes all the way up, like I said, to that well house right there, and it's just literally laying under a little bit of dirt. I'm not sure what they're doing. But this is our maintenance man, the maintenance man I always deal with. Not sure, like I said. They had measured it from the well. I was out there when they were doing that. They measured it from the well to the end of the mobile home, which I'm going to try. Y'all, please pardon my bedroom here. I'm going to try to get this. We've got the curtains all stapled up here because I was trying to keep the cold out this winter. But let me see if I can get this up enough, because there's my electric box right there. That I don't know if I can get more of this off or not. Okay. But that metal box right there, that's my electric box, or as I call it, the electric stick. That's it. You can sort of, let me zoom out a little bit. You can sort of see the front of it. And then that white, like I said, that white cord that you just saw them working on, it runs in to that electric box right there. We'll go over here to another side of the bedroom, because this is the back bedroom. This is the master bedroom here in the mobile home. So it looks at the back side of everything. And I don't know if I can, like I said, we had to do this to try to keep some warmth in here. But there we go. There's the white cord. And there they are working on it and holding it up and stuff. And yeah, don't know exactly why I'm documenting all this. It seems like I've done all this and it's come to nothing, but there it is. And you can see the line. You can see. Sorry guys, I don't want them to see me. I don't want to get my maintenance man in trouble. I don't. It's not. I don't. But you can see how shallow that line is that was buried in, and there's no conduit. There's no protection, anything like that on that cord at all. It's just a white type electric cord, almost like an extension cord, like you'd have in your house to plug up your Christmas lights with. Nothing protecting that wire from the weather, the elements, animals chewing on it. I'm going to see if I can get out here real quick without being caught. Kind of impossible when you got a puppy that hovers by every door that you got. I'm going to get this in another record is what I'm going to do. I'm going to slap a leash on the dog and get it in another record. So there we go. Sorry, I was all zoomed in on my pores and lips, but there we go.